Aloha! We have safely arrived in Hawaii. Yay! So this is our second day here now. The first day was pretty long, where we were all exhausted from the long flight. Now we're on the plane to Hawaii, and finally my excitement kicked in. Where are we going?
Holiday.
Holidays. It sounds really weird, but I'm actually really excited about tomorrow's breakfast on the plane because that's gonna be breakfast in a new destination, so it tastes better. Joa, that's not for washing your face.
Yeah.
She's ready for Hawaii. Good night. Good night. You're gonna sleep the whole way through, okay? I'm gonna sleep all the way to Hawaii. Yes. On the morning that we landed in Hawaii, it was still the 18th morning, so we lived the 18th twice. I was a bit disappointed that they didn't even check the pre-departure test. Like, we spent how long? We were rushing around on that day in the morning to get our pre-departure test. The first pharmacy was like charging $70.
The pharmacy next to my old gym was only charging $40, so we drove an extra 10 minutes to get our pre-departure test. They were not even needed.
Nobody checked.
Nobody checked on departure or even arrival as well.
Once we got here, we didn't book any transportation, so we've decided to Uber to our day-use hotel, which is the Alohilani Resort. They have a really cool cafe. Like, the moment you walk in, the old bar, I think it's called, you have this massive aquarium.
Never seen this. Where do you come? Fish. There, over there. Oh yeah.
One there, that one.
Wow.
When the Uber driver arrived, John almost went to his seat because he was sitting on the left side, and we're used to having drivers on the right side, right?
So yeah, so we're going to be picking up our car tomorrow, so it'll be interesting because I will be driving and be starting to get used to driving on the other side of the road. All the prices that they quote is exclusive of tips and taxes.
Yeah.
So sometime if you go to a restaurant, what you see is actually not what you pay. So just be mindful of that.
Yeah, for us like Australians, it's really weird. I kind of knew you had to pay tips, but still, you know, you look at the bill, it's already not cheap, you know, even coming from Australia. And then you have to add like all kinds of fees and tax and, you know, tips and fees on top of it. Just like, I feel ripped off. So yeah, we woke up, John bought some eggs, and he thought they were duck eggs.
Like those preserved ones you see in Asia, but it's actually normal eggs, but the
Were they
eggshell
duck
was
eggs?
actually white color.
Yeah, like
In
it's Snow White,
in Asia, like that's actually the preserved eggs. They bleach it with whatever they put in it. So yeah, I had to triple check it actually. I had to look at the box, look at the ticket, look at the box again just to triple check it. But yeah, no, it tastes beautiful this morning with the eggs. So definitely
and
not preserved.
The yolk are very like light yellow. Like, yeah, in New Zealand or Australia, the shells are usually either orangey or like, you know, off-white, and the yolks are usually orange as well, isn't it? That's quite funny.
The other thing about America is everything here is different in unit of measurement. So they use the likes of miles and gallons and quarter.
Yeah, even coins. I was like having a hard time just counting all the coins. I was like, how much is this? And it says a quarter, and I have to like brush up on my primary school maths. It was like, hey, what's a quarter?
I know what is a quarter.
What's a quarter?
It's a bit like a coin, but
It's a small coin.
Yeah.
Yeah. I really enjoyed the markets yesterday. The markets, we bought some fruits and veggies, so we might just come out and do that again. Walk around Waikiki, and I do want to buy a few dresses. I'll come out a little bit later.